Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of derivatives. So as per the problem, for what values of m does the function y equals a times e to the power mt satisfy the following equation? And the equation is the second derivative of y plus the first derivative of y minus 6y equals 0. So we have to sub in the expressions for second derivative and first derivative in this equation and then solve for m. So let's start by finding the first derivative of y. Now y is an exponential function and a is the coefficient of this exponential term. So y prime, or the first derivative, dy over dt, is equal to, so a, the coefficient, will stay as it is, times the derivative of the exponential term, and that will be the exponential term itself, times the derivative of its exponent, and the exponent is mt. Now m is the coefficient of the exponent, so m will stay as it is, and the derivative of t is 1. Now we can simplify this expression. So m times 1 is m, and we can multiply m by a, so it becomes a m times e to the power mt. Now we can find the second derivative of y by finding the derivative of this first derivative. Now in this first derivative, am is the coefficient of the term and it's a constant, so it will stay as it is, times the derivative of the e term, and that will be the e term times the derivative of its exponent, and the exponent is m times t. So m is the coefficient of the exponent, so it will stay as it is, times the derivative of t, which is equal to 1. Now we can simplify this expression. So m times 1 is m, and we can multiply m by a and m at the front, so we get, so this is the simplified expression for second derivative of y. Now we can sub in these expressions in the given equation and solve for m. So we'll start with the second derivative. Plus the expression for the first derivative minus 6 times y, which is given as, so this is the equation we have to solve. So now we can simplify this equation by doing common factoring. So we can factor out the a from each term and e to the power mt. And we are left with, now we can factor this expression in the parentheses. So this is a simple trinomial. So we can use the sum and the product method to factor it. So we have to find two numbers whose sum is equal to 1, the coefficient of the m term, and product is equal to -6. So the numbers can be 3 and -2. So now we can write the factored form. Now we can solve for m. So we get three cases. So for the first case, now there is no value of m that will make this expression equal to 0 because m is in the exponent of e, and e is a constant Euler's number. So this case gives us no solution. Now the second case is m plus 3 equals 0, and from this we get m equals -3. So this is our first solution. Now from the third case we get m minus 2 equals 0, and now we can isolate m by adding 2 to both sides. So the 2's on the left side get cancelled out. So we get, so this is the second solution. So these are the two values of m that satisfy this given equation for the function y equals a times e to the power mt. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.